Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And welcome back, for the first time in a long while, to RSPB Nene Washes. I've only just started recording, but I've been down here at least 45 minutes, maybe even an hour, and I've bagged some lifers. A couple of birds to add to the life list. Well, that's another one ticked off the life list. Finally found the tawny owl. For unfortunately, it's not a grand one. He's tucked up in bed. Oh my God. I got my tawny owl. I've got other birds that I don't even know what the hell they are. But I was just walking back to the car thinking I was finished as I see a kingfisher skim across the top of the water. Land in a tree. That's my first kingfisher shot. Now I've just come down to Ferry Meadows, also just managed to capture what is possibly one of my favourite photos. There was a pair of grebes with their ruffs out facing each other. I got a couple of shots of that and they dived down. So I thought I'll wait here a minute and see if they reappear a little bit closer. Both grebes came out of the water with a mouthful of what looked like weeds or whatever, and then they started butting up chests with all this stuff in their mouth, their ruffs out. This morning I've actually come to a place that I really wanted to come to for quite a while, and that's Rutland Waters, Anglian Water Wildlife Area. Okay, so I've just bagged another lifer, but unfortunately the shot isn't great. I've just seen my first tree creeper. Just slowly walking along and I saw something move at the base of this tree. Whipped the camera up, got a couple of shots. Unfortunately, he then hopped round the other side of the tree. Oh man, though, that is awesome. What beautiful birds as well. But it's always amazing when I see something that I've never seen before. I'll stick the picture up now and say it ain't great because it's a shot of the back of it. Oh, what a day. Heard this noise. Saw something fly into the that same small island the oyster catchers are on. Bloody lapwing. So that's another first ticked off my list. Not only that, started taking pictures as he flew up into the air. So I hope I've got some half decent shots of him in flight. And welcome back as well to RSPB Nene Washes. I don't actually know what to say. Just bumped into a lady and she was like, "Oh, you looking for the Leo?" I was like, "Leo?" She said, "Oh, the long-eared owl." I wasn't, but... And she was like, "Oh, come here." Tottered over, pointed out a long-eared owl to me. And also as well, welcome to Staffordshire Wildlife Hides. So today, I've got Ryan of Ryan's Wildlife YouTube sat next to me. And we're in the Kingfisher hide today. What a fantastic experience already. Yeah, it's been a cracking morning so far. Okay, so we just had a really good showing with the kingfishers, and we had a pair of them coming and landing on the same branch. Oh, and they're back. In today's video then, now I am at a place called Black Dyke, which I don't know how it's going to go. I literally just finished recording the whole sign out. As I was turned around, grey wagtail just flew over into a fallen tree. and welcome to RSPB Fen Drayton Lakes. It's my first ever visit down here, and I cannot believe that I've not been down here sooner on the premise that it's about a 35-minute drive away from my house. And then that thing happened where you get that one shot and you realise it was all just so worth it. So I parked myself up on the edge on the lake, saw some birds just fly past, and I was like, they look like tufties in flight. Camera goes up, start hammering out the shots of these what I thought were tufted ducks in flight. Look on the back of the camera, golden eyes. And a welcome back as well to a very blustery Bempton cliffs. Now, one thing I did manage to do with some of the portrait shots is I had a pair of them, is it beaking? Rubbing their beaks together as gannets do. Because I was shooting down onto the water, it had a lovely glistening and a welcome for the first time as well to North Cave Wetlands. What a result for a little recce. I visited those two hides, focused on this avocet, takes off, and I managed to catch what looks like a reasonably decent shot of that pied avocet in flight. I'm hoping for another glorious evening this evening. I've got coffee, I've got sun, and we're at RSPB Ooze Fen. I think I just got two corking shots. I was stood in one place, there was so much noise. The two shots I got, one was a reed bunting and one was a reed warbler. First of all, the reed bunting, and all of a sudden I saw it in the distance, fly up out of the reeds, back into the reeds, up, down, and it landed on the reeds. Fantastic, beautiful environmental shot. The second shot of the reed warbler, I was just walking along and I had the river next to me, so you've got the river that runs along the back of Ooze Fen. I managed to encroach on it, I could see it. And I managed to use spot focus through the reeds to get a shot of the reed warbler. And welcome to a gorgeous evening down at Ferry Meadows. We're down here to focus primarily on one thing today, and that's babies. Okay, so I found them. I found the baby mallards, the little ducklings bobbing around. I walked round to this one, and there was literally a heron just sat there in front of me, so I grabbed some headshots of the heron. And then from behind the heron, I saw the ducklings come in. The heron flew off. It allowed me to get some brilliant shots, hopefully, of the ducklings. They were adorable. So yeah, RSPB Snetcham. I thought I'll have a wander down just towards the old jetty. Also get a lovely shot of a beautiful little ringed plover. And let's cut to the chase. Welcome back to RSPB Ooze Fen. Okay, I'll tell you what, the warblers and buntings are putting on a fantastic show today. What an afternoon of photography. I've had an absolutely fantastic day so far with the warblers and the buntings. I've literally had them flying up 10 feet in front of me. I'm smiling because we are back at Bempton Cliffs. I was looking at the cliffs and just watching, and I just happened to sort of glance down, and literally right in front of me was a puffin. mouthful of what I believe are the eels. Can't remember what, sand eels. And welcome back to the Yorkshire coast. But what's this all about? We've got glorious sunshine today. There's literally just puffins flying over my head at the minute. There's also loads of sand martins, razorbills, varying gulls. It's just an absolutely fantastic day, and it has really yielded potentially some of my best ever shots. And welcome back to another evening at Bempton Cliffs. The barn owl's out. He's out on his hunt. I've just been taking pictures of him over this side, and he's flown right over me. So I'm heading over that way now. Amazing. He's coming back this way. Stick with us. Let's see about these pictures. So in today's video then, we've actually made a return to Back Dyke. Saw a small bird fly up into the bush next to me. Whipped the camera up. Bloody yellowhammer. And welcome back to Paxton Pits. It took me quite a while to actually walk down the boardwalk because there were so many small birds in the trees that... Kingfisher. Wouldn't have grabbed a picture of it because it literally flew right in front. I don't know if you can hear that down the mic, but it literally sounds like it's flying around right above my head. And a welcome back as well for the first time in a year to RSPB Langford Lowfields. Oh my days. So I'm walking back to the car now. I was walking along and there was a gap in the hedge and a stile. So I was like, let's go check out this farmer's field then. So I just glanced over to my right hand side and was like, there's a muntjac deer there. Lift the camera up. It's not a muntjac deer, it's a gorgeous fox. And welcome to one of my little bimbles out. We're down at, just walking along a footpath, through some fields and stuff. Down near, I believe, Wood Newton. I'm just gonna go for a walk down there, through nature, somewhere nice and quiet. All right, we'll start walking back. I stand up, turn round. The tree where I saw the grey heron in before, there was nothing there when I got to the bridge. A flipping grey heron has come back again. This time, he sat right on the highest branch possible. That sun is nice and low now. I've just got some corking shots of him. Back at Barnwell today, joined by Ryan of Ryan's Wildlife. While we've been wandering around as well, we have seen some absolutely fantastic things, including one of my bucket list shots. Managed to get a picture of a red kite just perched up in a tree. We've had some further sightings of the kingfishers. We parked up, Ryan saw one fly off in the distance, and then next thing you knew, it flew in and landed on a perch. So we made our way into the kingfisher hide. Grey wagtail turned up, and I absolutely love grey wagtails, beautiful birds. Yeah, what a fantastic day. Yeah, we were literally just back at the car saying our goodbyes before we were about to head our separate ways. A pair of red kites just started circling. Got it. Got the picture of the snow bunting. Well, I think it is anyway, that's what Merlin tells me it is. What an adorable little bird though. And again, you've got to give credit to Mrs. S. She was the one who spotted it. We were walking along and we were looking in the dunes along all the rocks and stuff that are along the edge there. And she literally just swung her arm back, slapped me to stop me moving further forward. And yeah, just to point out that the snow bunting was there. And a welcome back to Barnwell Country Park. Now I'm just going to make my way down to the Kingfisher hide to start with. The last time we came down it, Ryan and I had some real success from this hide. Kingfisher. So, up in the Yorkshire Dales then, and I've come to an area for today that I have been to previously. It's in Upper Wharfdale. Goldcrest. Got it. First ever picture of a goldcrest. My location today is one of my favourite places. As people who have followed the channel for a while will know, we are at the beautiful Bempton Falls. I've just had an absolutely fantastic showing with a grey wagtail. He's very present. He's in absolutely beautiful colour at the moment as well. Really, really vibrant. He was just hopping along the rocks. And welcome back to the Yorkshire Dales. This video is the main reason I actually came up the Red Squirrel Trail at Snade's home. Now, no, little guy's actually coming over to see me. Hey buddy, come on then. Are you the same guy? What's that? What's that? Got it? And a welcome back as well to a rather windy Nene Washes. Now, oh my God, today has just gone absolutely epic. Next thing I hear, red kite. And I was like, right, okay, where is he? And I see him sat in the top of a tree. I'm blowing around, the kite's blowing around, and I managed to nail some absolutely beautiful shots. One of my bucket list shots, and that is the red kite just perched up in a tree. And a welcome to a very windy UK. It's beautifully sunny. Okay, so fantastic experience that has totally made coming out today absolutely worthwhile. Kingfisher, just walking along the edge of the stream, river thing, whatever. Blue streak just flies along the river, lands in a tree.